In this video, we will provide an essential guide to foods that can spike blood sugar levels in diabetes. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for individuals with diabetes, and understanding which foods to avoid or limit is key to maintaining stable blood sugar. Join us as we explore the common culprits that can raise blood sugar levels and learn how to make healthier food choices to maintain optimal blood sugar control. Carbohydrates are the main nutrient that affects blood sugar levels. When consumed, carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, which enters the bloodstream and raises blood sugar levels. Foods high in refined carbohydrates like white bread, pasta, and sugary snacks can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Many foods contain hidden sugars that can unexpectedly elevate blood sugar levels. Common culprits include sugary beverages, processed foods, condiments, and even some seemingly healthy foods like flavored yogurt and granola bars. It's essential to read food labels carefully and be aware of the hidden sugars in packaged and processed foods. Foods with a high glycemic index can rapidly increase blood sugar levels. These include white rice, potatoes, and certain fruits like watermelon and pineapple. Opting for lower glycemic index alternatives like whole grains, sweet potatoes, and berries can help maintain more stable blood sugar levels. Controlling portion sizes and incorporating fiber-rich foods can also help manage blood sugar levels. Smaller portions of starchy foods and larger portions of non-starchy vegetables can help regulate blood sugar. Additionally, high-fiber foods like beans, legumes, and whole grains can slow down the absorption of glucose and prevent drastic blood sugar spikes. By being mindful of the foods we eat and their impact on blood sugar levels, individuals with diabetes can better manage their condition. Making healthier food choices, avoiding hidden sugars, opting for lower glycemic index foods, and controlling portion sizes are essential for maintaining stable blood sugar. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice and guidance in managing blood sugar levels.